You guys made it. Welcome to our next stop off. So we are exploring Swans Crossing. So we're actually stayed in Swans Crossing campground. So let's go check this spot out, eh? Let's go. Swans Crossing Campground is a large open spaced area with drop toilets available, a picnic area, a playground for the kids, and also a creek that runs parallel to the campground, perfect for swimming in the warmer months. So this is where I've set up. So I'm pretty much on the far left side of the camping area, and I'm not too far from the swimming area, which is literally probably 100 meters down that way. So I want to show you the swimming area because it's pretty cool. So let's go. You've also got little sheltered area just here, and you've got some long tables and chairs, so if there's a large group of yous, you can go under there, bit of shelter. We've also got a kids playground, which I'll show you guys that a little bit later, but let's go down to the swimming area because yeah, it's a very nice spot. Right, so just got the fire started. Lucky I got a bag of kindling because the rest of the wood that I've gathered together was a bit wet, so it was a little bit of a struggle to get it going. So for dinner, I'm going to just do some hamburgers and then pretty much pack up and then go to bed. So tomorrow we're going to a lookout area. I have to try and find, and there's a couple of waterfalls as well, so we'll see if we can find them as well. But I shall see you guys in the morning. Good morning everybody, it's the next day and I've made my way up to Combine Rock, which is a lookout, and it's 360 of the whole area. It's absolutely beautiful. It is a little bit windy up here, so I might try and get the drone up, but I'm not sure if it's gonna handle the wind, but we'll see. But yeah, have a look at Combined Rock. Alright, it is pretty windy, so I'm not going to risk flying my drone and something happening to it, because I'm a long way up here and it's a long way down, so I like to play it a bit safe. But I hope what I've shown you on the GoPro gives you an idea on the view up here, because it is pretty cool. It is a little bit foggy at the moment. I think it's about 10 o'clock now, 10:30, not 100% sure. But yeah, a little bit of fog coming through. But yeah, I'm gonna make my way back down. I'm gonna go to a waterfall that I have to try and find. So to get up to here, because you don't have any service, you sort of have to follow the map, but like when you've got your little blue map, like little blue dot on the map, and you can sort of follow like along the track. So I sort of did that and tried to find the tracks that linked up to get up to here. So it was a little bit of a mission. It is a little bit difficult, but now I'm going to head back down and find a waterfall. So I have to pretty much do the same thing. So hopefully I see you at a waterfall. I made it to the waterfall, and I actually got reception from Combined Rock, so I was able to navigate my way to this waterfall. But I'm here now, so have a look at this. This is pretty spectacular. Alright, that is it from me for episode 1 of our mini touring series. I hope you guys enjoyed this trip. So I'll be finishing the episode here, and I'll be heading up further to the north coast. So make sure you tune in for episode 2. Should be a good one. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys further up the coast. See you then. And today we've got one more waterfall that we're going to check out.